Pedro Ty got onto the sharks.
3 big sharks.
Yeah. Might have to move from here.
It's coming.
You're going to try and get a crank on him. Alright. He's tired now. How about you? Are you tired?
Yep.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Good fight, Pete.
So Louis been on a, he's been sharked out. We've been sharked out all day, viewers. Anyway, Louis on a shark. He's been trying to get him in for about the last half an hour. How you going there, Louis?
Yeah, it's tough going. Still, I'm making ground on him.
There's one over there. There's plenty of sharks around, and I'll try and get a bit of a look, guys. They're everywhere today. Off Dundee, top end, Australia. It's about 35 degrees, perfect conditions, and Louis keeps on keeping on. He's not going to give up. It's unbelievable stuff, viewers. The big blue. Here we go, bit of colour. Bit of colour.
This side, mate, this side. This side. Pedro, this side.
Away around the boat we go. It's like a dance. Here we go. Bit of colour. Look. Unbelievable. Really not sure what kind of shark it is. Could be like a nurse or something like that. Definitely not a tiger or a whitey. Here we are on location, right at the top end, you know, on a Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday afternoon, viewers, everyone's at work. The Pedro Ty is out, getting you the exclusive filming, the footage. He's still going. It's been about 45 minutes now, and Louis still got him, still working away. So we'll try and bring the shark up, get a bit of footage, and then we'll just release it.
Working for you, Jimmy, today, brother. Here he comes. Just down here. Down near the end, buddy. Right near the end. Beautiful. Like this short pump, mate. Short pump. Oh, he doesn't like.
Oh, down he goes.
He doesn't like the surface.
So the fight continues, viewers, down here at Dundee. Oh, we're probably about 50 k's out. Skipper, how many k's are we out from Dundee?
Yeah, about 55 k's.
About 55 k's out.
Southwest.
Southwest. Big Blue.
Just outside Bateman Shoal.
Just outside Bateman Shoal. And it's all happening. Been sharked out today, viewers. Been sharked out. So we thought we'd bring one in just for you viewers to have a bit of a look.
Alright,
going to take another run. He's going to take another run. Watch your rod. Watch your rod. Take
So Louis still going. So we're heading for about 55 minutes now. Heading up to the hour mark. And Louis still fighting with a great white. We don't know what kind of shark it is. Not real sure, but it's coming up now. Done an amazing job. The shark's knackered and Louis knackered as well. Like I said, viewers, we will be releasing it unharmed. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Get some photos.
Photos.
What was it? 1410.
041066. Don't wrap him.
No, I'm not going to.